Hi, it's Tim at enginefactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower engine for our customer's 1968 Mustang with the Holley Sniper 2 EFI system on there. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Then we have a 347 Ford stroker engine, power forged pistons in there, roller lifter camshaft, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. You have the gas filter on there, the loop clamps, a heavy duty Russell fuel line, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. Engine block is painted the Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs. We have the correct front sump oil pan for the 68 Mustang. Oil pan is the Ford blue also. Distributor set in place, aluminum intake manifold, MSD coil. These real nice black Ford Racing valve covers with a matching Mustang air cleaner. We have the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Holley Sniper EFI 2 system on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We'll set the menu screen up on the Holley Sniper EFI system. Be all done for the customer, plug and play, ready to go. We have the Ford Racing billet steel flywheel. Correct flywheel for the customer's transmission, proper tooth count and balance for the 347 Ford. Pilot bearings installed. We have the flywheel bolts on there. We have the fuel pressure regulator on there. We'll set the fuel pressure at 58.5 psi on there. It'll be all set. You have the PCV valve on there, the Russell PCV line. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed. We have the ground wire coming off the Holley Sniper EFI. Red ignition wires, all the wire markers all set. Dipstick and tube, chrome dipstick and tube. This real nice Wraptor pulley kit on there. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Self-tensioning belt tensioner. AC compressor on there. Coolant bypass hose. Correct lower hose hookup on the passenger side for the 68 Mustang. Standard rotation high flow aluminum water pump. High flow thermostat in there. 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. Power steering pumps on there. Every engine at Engine Factory is live run for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, manifold vacuum reading. We'll set the Holley Sniper EFI up for you. All the settings will be done. We'll set the idle. We'll set the ignition timing with our timing light. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over. So you know when you get this engine in, you'll have total confidence. It's 100% perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family operated business here. So there you have it. This is our 347 Ford 425 horsepower engine with the Holley Sniper 2 fuel injection system ready to go. Thanks for watching.